Very good morning, everyone.
Good morning, sir.
Satyajyoti, respond.
Yes, sir.
Yesterday test is wrong. Huh?
Yes, sir. It was the last GD test paper answer case.
Okay. After this, I will send both quiz.
Yes, sir.
So, okay, students. So today our next topic is fraction. Refraction of light. So, what is the refraction of light? Bending nature of the light when it travels from one medium to the another medium. Bending nature of light. Bending nature of light when it travels from one medium to another medium. So, for example, just imagine is any interface this is one bucket or one vessel I have taken filled with water. Here, how many media are present? Two media. One is air and other one is water. Which is denser medium? Water is denser medium. Air is rarer medium. Say, sir, if you place any coin or any point source of light inside the water, What will happen? Tell me. One ray of light will fall like this. Am I clear? Whenever it travel from denser to rarer, what will happen? Its speed will increase. No? As I was saying, light you have to treat like a group of elastic particle. In which medium you will walk, you will run very fast. Water or air? Air you will run very slower, no? So light also travels slowly in the water medium or denser medium. Is my point clear, students? Say yes or no? So
Yes, sir.
it is experimentally noted that speed of the water, the speed of the light in the water medium, speed of light in water, it is experimentally discovered that it is 3 into 10 power 8 whole divided by 4 by 3. Is my point clear? If you simplify, that is 9 by 4 into 10 power 8 meters per second. 4 ones are 4, 2s are 8, and what do you say this one? Then 4 twos are 8, and 4 fives are 20. So experimentally, practically it is discovered that speed of the light in the water is 10 power 8 meters per second. This factor, the factor in the denominator is called refractive index of the water. What is that? Refractive index. The refractive index of water. That is how much? 4 by. Similarly, speed of light in air, speed of light in air, it was observed that how much? 3 into 10 power 8 meters per second divided by 1. So the refractive index for air, how much? This factor is 1. Then right. Am I clear, students? Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Similarly, speed of light in glass. That is how much V is equal to 3 into 10 power 8 divided by 1.5 can write. So this 1.5 is nothing but refractive index of the glass medium. That is how much? 1.5. So what is the speed of the sound in the glass? 2 into 10 power 8 meters per second. Am I clear, all of you? Am I clear or not? So this ray is called incident ray. This point is called point of incidence. Whenever the ray of light is changing from denser medium to rarer medium, it was discovered that speed will increase, so it will deviate more. This is called refracted ray. The angle between refracted ray and normal line is called angle of refraction, and the angle between incident ray and normal line is called what here? Angle of incidence. And here one very important note here. Very important note. When light travels from denser to rarer, what happens? Few points. When light travels from denser to rarer, tell me what happens? Speed will increase. Am I right or wrong? Speed will increase. That is the point number one. And also angle of refraction is more than angle of incidence. Is my point clear? And also the first medium, which is the first medium? It's a very important statement, student. In entire refraction, judgment of first medium, second medium is very, very important. What is the first medium? I'm asking you, what is the first medium here?
Water.
Water is the first medium. Water is the first medium. I mean, mu1 equal to 4/3. And air is what here? Other medium is second medium. This is any coin. And when the light travels from denser to rarer, so it bends away from the normal line. I mean, if you notice this, 4/3 means 1.33. Where the refractive index is more, less angle is there. Where refractive index is very small, angle of refraction is very big. Have you noted on? Yes or no? So that relation in refractive index is inversely proportional to angle. Or as I talking, these are all our para-axial rays. Para-axial rays means theta values are very, very small. So you can use small approximation rule. What is the small approximation rule? Sin theta I can write it as theta I can write now. Yes or no? So mu is proportional to sin theta I can write. I mean the product of refractive index and sin theta equal to how much? Always constant. I mean mu1 into sin theta 1 equal to how much? mu2 into sin theta 2. This is only called Snell's law. Very important law, Snell's law of refraction. Snell's law of refraction. Snell's law of refraction. Snell's law of refraction. mu1 into theta 1 is nothing but sine angle of incidence equal to sine angle of refraction. This is a standard formula for the Snell's law of refraction. It is not only for two media, multiple media also it is valid. For example, if you see here, I have taken some glass medium, mu1. Above, I filled with water, mu2. Above, air is there. Air means what? Mu2. So this is the incident ray, and the ray of light will refract like this. See like this. So this is I1, this is I2, this is I3. So what I can write? This is I1, I2, this is what I3. Like that, how you can apply the Snell's law of refraction? mu1 into sin I1 equal to mu2 into sin I2 equal to how much? mu3 into sin I3 and so on. How many media are there? You can apply the Snell's law of refraction. Is my point clear, everyone? Says or no? And one small statement about the refractive index of a medium. Refractive index of medium. How will you define? That is the speed of light in air by speed of light in medium. Speed of light in air. Speed of light in air divided by what here, tell me? Speed of light in medium. I'm requesting everyone to remember at your fingertips. My point clear, everyone? Let us see how to identify images are formed. Images are formed due to refraction. Refraction at interface, at flat interface. Very, very important. So one example I will explain. This is water. One example in our day-to-day life. This is one water. Above what here? Air is there. And here one bird. Bird is watching the fish. What is the character of the bird? Bird is observer. And what is the object? Fish is object or source of light. Let's say S equal to source of light. Tell me from the source of light, how many rays of light will come? Just imagine one normal light will fall on the interface like this. This is called normal incident ray. And draw one normal line. And what is the angle between incident ray and normal line? Response strength. Angle between normal line and incident ray. How much, students? Angle of incident, how much? 0 degree only, na? So yes or no? Please say yes or no.
Yes, sir.
So what will happen then? So mu1 equal to 4 by 3 and mu2 is equal to 1. Where the object is immersed, where incident light is there, that is our first medium. So I can use Snell's law of refraction. I can write one statement for normal incidence. For normal incidence, mu1 into sine I is equal to how much? mu2 into sine r. Substitute mu1 value 4 by 3 and into sine 0 equal to mu2 into sine r. And sine r value how much? 0. So r equal to also 0 here. Yes or no? The incident light travels from denser to rarer. What happens? Angle of refraction also 0. I mean, without any refraction, it goes straight only. Yes or no? Am I clear or not clear?
Yes, sir.
One more inclined incident ray will fall like this. And if you see the refraction of this, to analyze the refraction, this is the point of incidence P. Draw one normal line. how the ray of light will bend? Away from the normal line only, no? Am I right or wrong? Because whenever the ray of light traveling from a denser medium to rarer medium, light ray will bend away from the normal line. So what is this angle? Angle of refraction. This is the angle of incidence. Am I clear, friends? This is refracted ray number 1. This is refracted ray number 2. Do they meet really? So they do not meet really. So the bird which is flying do not watch the real image of the fish. Why? Because the refracted light rays are not meeting really. I'll write down that point. Bird watches virtual image only. Bird watches virtual image of fish. Bird watches virtual image of the fish. So where that image of the fish, where the refracted light rays are apparently meeting, there virtual image of the fish will form. That is I prime. I prime means what? Virtual image of the fish. Am I clear, friends? I will assume this point is something O. What is this distance? Object distance U only, na? Is my point clear? Every distance you have to measure from the interface here, friends. That's another important note. Another important note. Every distance. Very, very important note. Every distance should measure from where? From interface. Is my point clear, all of you? So U is nothing but object distance. Where is the image distance? V is nothing but what here, students? Image distance. With your permission, shall I write one statement, Snell's law? mu1 into sin I is equal to mu2 into sin R. Shall I write? Please say yes or no. This is mu1. This is mu2. I will write. Is my point clear? Yes or no? And mu1 into, I am using small approximation rule. Instead of sin I, shall I write tan of I? You will ask me, sir, why are you writing like this? See my answer. This is I mean this is also I, na? Correct or wrong? I know the opposite side, I know the adjacent side. That's what I'm using tan I. Is my point clear? So tan I means just focus this right angle triangle. This right angle triangle tan I, what I can write? Opposite side OP by adjacent side OS. Tan R, what I can write? This is R means this is also R, na? Yes or no? See this small triangle. Tan R, what I can write? Opposite side by adjacent side means V. OP cancels out. Am I clear? mu1, what is OS is nothing but object distance equal to mu2 by V. V value how much, friends? Sorry, this is OS. Tan R means O prime. Small correction, O I prime. O I prime is nothing but image distance. This is only called very important formula. I'm requesting everyone to remember compulsory to your fingertips. This is called refraction formula at a flat interface. refraction formula at a flat interface is valid for any interface operating either denser to rarer medium or rarer medium to denser medium. Am I clear? I'm requesting everyone to remember permanently at your fingertips. Is my point clear? Very easy to remember also. Am I clear, all of you? Clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And if you see the magnification also, for example, magnification along x-axis or y-axis, magnification along y-axis, one small example, same fish and bird example only I will take. Let's say this fish is here, fish is at a distance some y meter. Let's say the length of the fish is how much? dy meter. Am I clear on? Where is this is the object. O means what? Object. Where image will appear? Where image will appear, my dear friends? This is the object distance x. What is the length of that object? Dx. Am I clear? Dx is length of the object or fish. Distance of the object how much? X meter. Am I clear on? Where fish will appear, my dear friends? Fish will appear somewhere here, na? Correct or not? I mean, image of the fish, I prime. We'll assume the image distance is y. What length of the image? Dy. Am I clear or not clear? Now tell me what the object distance to u is equal to? Minus x only, no? Please say yes or no?
Yes,
Why am
sir.
I minus x? Below the interface, no? I mean negative y-axis, no, student? U equal to minus x. What is image distance? Minus y only, no? Did you understand the sign convention? Understood or not understood?
Sir, please repeat, sir.
Who is this?
Rafia.
Rafia. Where is your confusion, no? Tell me once again.
My convention only, sir.
I told now this is the interface is your origin. This is your negative y-axis. Upside is your positive y-axis. X is along the negative y-axis only, no? That's what I should take minus x.
Yes,
This
sir.
one is called Cartesian. I mean, in your max it is there, no? In your 10th standard. Cartesian sign convention. Very simple sign convention. Not a rocket science. All are clear. All are clear or not clear?
Yes, sir.
So you can write this is a mu1. Why I am taking as a first medium? Why? Because fish is my object. So the incident ray is in the water medium only, no? That is my first medium, and air is my second medium. That judgment is important, student. That I will add one important note. If you forget this core concept now, if this get only entire refraction, you will get answer, but negative results will come. The medium where incident ray is there, the medium where incident ray is there, where incident ray is there, or object is present, that is which medium? That is first medium. Am I clear or not clear? Other medium is what here, students? Other medium is the second medium. Other medium is second medium. And other medium is second medium. Other medium is what here? Second medium. So I can write here Snell's law. What is Snell's law, students? Tell me. Mu1 by u is equal to mu2 by v. Substitute mu1 value, mu1. U value how much? Minus x. And mu2 value, mu2 only. And v value how much? Minus 5. I want a magnification. Na? What a magnification formula along y-axis? Height of the image by height of the object. Na? Yes or no? Yes or no? Height of the image is dy by dx I have to find. So on either side, what I should do? I have to differentiate with respect to x or y. And write on that point by differentiating equation number 1 with respect to x. With respect to what here? X. Is my point clear? So I can write mu1 differentiation of mu1 by x equal to how much? Differentiation of mu2 by y. Mu1 is constant, I will take it outside. Or differentiation of 1 by x minus 1 by x square, and x you have to differentiate once again. Here also mu2 I will not touch. Or differentiation of 1 by y. Remember that trick, 1 minus 1 by square into dy by dx. Is my point clear, all of you? So I can write minus mu1 by x square equal to how much? Minus mu2 by y square and into dy by dx. Minus minus cancels out. So what I can write here? Dy by dx equal to mu1 by mu2 into y square by x square. This is a magnification, student. I am requesting everyone, very important formula at your fingertips. So mu1 by mu2 into, this is the image distance whole square by object distance. Am I clear, all of you? Okay. That's the magnification along the y-axis. As well as magnification along z-axis also. One small practice problem to you, friends. Are you ready? Huh? One small practice problem. This is one water. What is the refractive index of the water is 4 by 3. I don't need to tell also. One fish is there. One fish means object na. It is swimming at a depth some 1 kilometer from the interface. And one bird is watching. One bird is watching. So my question is find apparent depth of the fish. Find apparent depth of the fish. From interface. Every distance I told you we are measuring from interface. So specifically, I don't need to mention that.
Zero 0.75 kilometers, sir.
0.75 kilometers. Mustafa, no?
Muhsin, sir.
Musin, sorry. Musin. How many of you supporting Musin? Same technique you have to use.
Yes, sir. 0.75.
Okay, Satyajyoti also. Same thing, no? The real depth of the fish is nothing but object distance. The real depth of the fish is nothing but object distance small u. So image of the fish is here it will form now. That is only apparent depth or image distance. Your apparent depth equal to how much? Image distance v. So what is mu1 value? 4/3. Mu2 value how much? 1. What is formula? Mu2 by v equal to mu1 by u. Substitute mu2 value. 1 by v equal to mu1 value how much? 4/3 into what is the object distance? 1 kilometer. And v value how much here? 3/4. I mean what here? 0.75 kilometer. Is my point clear, friends? Correct or not? So actually the real depth of the fish is 1 kilometer, but bird will feel that it is not 1 kilometer, it is 0.75 kilometer. Am I clear, all of you? Yes or no? So if length of the fish is, next question, if length of fish is, if length of the fish is 1 meter, find length of image of the fish. Find length of image of fish. Try that. Any idea? Which concept you have to apply? Are you trying or should give hint? I will give the hint. Into this
Yes,
formula. Magnification along y-axis how much? Mu1 by mu2 into v square by u square. I mean, the height of the image or length of the image by length of the object is the hint. Everyone, I am requesting, don't sit idle. So we are highly intelligent. We are turning off the camera. Okay. Why I have to waste my energy? Don't feel like that. You have to maintain challenging attitude. Be aggressive, arrogant in problems. Please try seriously and tell me on. Gave the hint. Just to putting values on.
0.74 meters.
0.74.
74.
So height of the image of the fish or length of the image is 0.74.
Sir, 750 meters.
750 meter. I mean 1 kilometer it appears.
0.421 into 10 power minus 6 meters. 421 into 10 power minus 6.
Who said this answer? 0.74?
10 power 6, sir.
Muhsin, sir.
10 power 6. It's my turn. Height of the image by height of the object equal to how much? Mu1 by mu2 into image distance whole square by object distance whole square. So height of the object I will take this side. What is mu1 value? 4 by 3 and mu2 value is 1. What is image distance? 0.75 divided by 1. Object distance 1, no? Yes or no? And whole square, what is the height of the object I have given? 1 meter I have given. So 4 by 3 into this one, how much? 75 by 100 whole square. 4 by 3 into 75 means what? 25 3s are 25 4s are. 3 by 4 whole square means 9 by 16. 4 1s are 4 4s are. 3 1s are 3 3s are. 3 by 4 meter. What is the answer? 0.75 meter. Give a big round of applause for Musin. Vaira 0.74 came.
Sir, I took 75 squares, sir.
So anyway, good. You should use this technical strand. Only with the cancellation only you have to do.
Sir,
Okay, sir.
sir, that 0.75 is in kilometers, no, sir.
Kilometer cancels, no?
Sir,
Then
meters, sir.
meter. Length of the fish in meters. No, sir.
So the answer also we got in meter. This no units. Magnification no units. Only this meter only will come. This is kilometer. This is kilometer cancels, no? Like that. Understood? Understood or not understood?
Sir, length of the fish is 1 meter only.
1 meter only. See, height of the image equal to what is the formula? mu1 by mu2 into image distance by object distance whole square into height of the object. Now, mu1 value how much? 4 by 3 into 1. What is image distance? 0.75 kilometer by object distance is 1 kilometer whole square. Height of the object how much? 1 meter. Kilometer cancels out. You will get the answer in meter only, na?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If you got any confusion, you have to use like this. Do the method like this. Am I clear, all of you? I mean, the bird will feel that the fish is very smaller size, so I can eat two fishes like that. Okay. One more problem. Are you ready? Huh? Are you ready, students? Are you ready? I'm saying, are you ready? This is one interface. Now, bird is our object. Bird is our object. Who is watching the bird? Fish is observer. Fish are one man immersed in water. Fish is observer. This is object. I mean fish. Sir, fish is observer. Am I clear? Now the height of the bird from the interface, the height of the bird is 1 kilometer. How many kilometer? 1 kilometer. I mean, if real height of the bird is, if real height of bird from interface is 1 kilometer, then find apparent height of the bird. Apparent height of bird. Apparent height of bird observed by fish.
One 1.33 kilometers.
1.33
33.
1.33 kilometer.
Same, sir.
Sir, 1.33 kilometers.
1.3, sir.
Okay.
Sir, 1.33 kilometers.
1 point
33 kilometers.
same answer. Huh?
Yes, sir.
So my turn, students. So this is a bird is object, na? So this is the object distance u. What object distance u equal to? Plus 1 kilometer. I don't need to explain why plus. You have to find the image distance. Tell me what is mu1 here? This is only real height, na? Object distance is only called real height. Am I right or wrong? What is mu1 value now? What's the mu1 value? I'm asking you what is the mu1 value?
1.
1, sir.
mu1 value where object is image, that is our first medium. Other medium is 4/3. So what a formula? Mu1 by u is equal to mu2 by v. mu1 value how much? 1 divided by, and u value how much? Object distance is 1 kilometer. Mu2 value how much? 4 by 3 into v. So v value is nothing but 4 by 3. How much? 1.33 meters, sorry, kilometer. I mean, the fish will feel that bird is very far distance, so it will be very careless. This is a object and this is the image of the bird. Am I right or wrong? Actual height of the bird is 1 kilometer, but fish will feel that image is 1.33 kilometer. That's what fish is very slow. Bird will feel that. What bird will feel? Actual depth of the bird is 1 kilometer, but bird will feel that image of the fish is 0.75 only. Na? In an earlier problem, we proved or not. That's what bird is very haste, fish is very slow. So that's what, according to nature, bird eats fish. If reverse means fishes eats birds in other planet. Correct or wrong? Are you understanding, student? Fishes won't eat birds. Will eat na? Yes or no? According to our nature of this planet, Earth planet, bird will feel that fish is very near. If I do not run, if I do not move fast, it will escape. It will feel. But what fish notices? Fish become very slow. Why? Bird is very far, but actual height is 1 kilometer only. But bird will feel that 1.33 kilometer. So it goes very slowly. Am I right or wrong, friends? That's what fish become prey for bird. Reverse means what will happen? Fishes will eat birds. Are you understanding? Is my point clear or not? Now let us see the speeds. 10 minutes extra I will take, students. Okay, no problem, no? Why? Because this full concept will be over. Okay, 10-15 minutes extra I will take. It is interesting also. For suppose the same example, here fish is object. Let's say velocity of the object is 5 meter per second, and bird is there. I will assume bird is in the state of rest. This bird in the state of rest. For suppose, then what bird will feel? Find the speed of the fish with respect to bird. With respect to bird. My point clear? For that, I will assume this distance is, let's say, y here, or something x. Where the image of the fish will appear? Tell me for bird. Bird will feel that this is the image of fish, no? What is the distance? Tell me.
3 by 4x.
X by mu only, no? Remember the trick, real depth of the fish is x means, real depth of the fish is x meter means What the apparent depth of the fish? Remember that technique, x by mu. It's a very time saving trick. I'll assume this distance is, from interface, the bird height is, I will assume y. Now tell me, what is the position of the bird? What is the position of the fish with respect to bird? Where fish will feel that? Where fish will feel that position of the, or where bird will feel that position of the fish? Fish is the distance y plus x by mu only, now, my dear friends. This yes or no? Say yes or no. This
Yes,
is
sir.
this is position of the bird. This is position of bird, sorry, position of fish with respect to bird. But which are variable? Y is constant, but x is only changing, na? Am I right or wrong? All are changing only. So I will differentiate on both sides with respect to that. Differentiate with respect to time. If you differentiate on both sides, so what will happen? If you differentiate on either side, what will happen? D by dt of xfb and plus dy by dt plus 1 by mu, I will take it outside, and dx by dt. What is the displacement by time? Is nothing but velocity of the fish with respect to bird only, no? I told you y is constant only, no? Bird is in the state of rest, no? So there is no displacement of the bird, 0 I can write, and plus 1 by mu into, what is this, dx by dt is nothing but velocity of the fish only, no? So here velocity of the fish with respect to bird is velocity of the fish by mu. What the velocity of the fish is? Tell me, students. Plus 5 only, no? Y plus 5. This is positive y-axis only, no? So substitute 5 by mu value how much? 4 divided by 3. So what the velocity of the fish with respect to birds? 15 by 4. 4 ones are 4. These are 12. 4 sevens are 28 and 4 fives are. So now tell me what the velocity of the fish with respect to bird? 3.75 meters per second. Are you understanding? But actually velocity of the fish is 5 meters per second. But what bird will feel? Fish is traveling with only 3.75 meters per second. I hope you all understood very nicely. Is my point clear? Huh?
Yes,
Shall I
sir.
shall I ask one more question? Now listen carefully. This is your neat problem only. Based on my memory I am giving. This is the bird. This is the fish here. Velocity of the fish is 5 meters per second. And velocity of the bird is also 5 meters per second. My question is very simple and very straight. Find velocity of the fish. Find velocity of fish with respect to bird. To take your own time, students. And then after that, I will ask one more question. Do paper.
8.75 meters per second, sir.
Same, sir.
8.75 meters per second. Okay. So same thing, I will assume this is some y meter, I will assume this is x meter. Where fish will appear is a fish position. What a fish distance? X by mu only, na?
Same answer, sir.
So I can write one statement, position of the fish with respect to bird, how much? Bird will feel that fish is at y plus x by mu only, no? Yes or no? So if you differentiate on either side, like this, you can differentiate dy by dt plus 1 by mu, I will take it outside, and dx by dt. What is this? Tell me. This is velocity of the fish with respect to bird. What is this dy by dt? Tell me. Change in position of the bird means velocity of the bird plus 1 by mu into what is dx by dt? Velocity of the fish only now. This is a suitable formula. What a velocity of bird? Tell me now. Velocity of bird is -5, no? This is yes or no? Why I am taking -5? Bird is moving in the downward direction, no? This is yes or no? Understood or not understand? Mu value how much? 4 by 3. What a velocity of the fish? Plus 5. So what your answer? -5 plus 3 5s are 15 by 4. To take the LCM 4 and -20 plus 15 means -5 by 4 meters per second. I mean, bird is feeling that now, bird is feeling that fish is not coming upside. Fish is going downside. Why downside? We got answer negative now. Purinjida. With 5 by 4 means what? 1.2 something. Are you understanding, friend? Please say yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Now, one question of the day to you in the same problem. Question of the day. Don't be hasty. This physics students. Understood? Should show your IQ. So find the same problem. Same problem. Find velocity of the bird with respect to fish. Okay. Take your own time and WhatsApp me. Thank you. Bye. Take the screenshot of this question. Take it as a challenge. Physics is not that much easy. You should be very challenges attitude. Okay. Don't think casually. Okay. Bye. We see you in the center.